Alright, well on Google it shows a gate with concrete blocks. And now there isn't even a gate. So perfect. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're back on the bike. Thanks to everyone who's watched and subscribed over the last year. And now hopefully we'll have another summer of good fun on this bike. And we'll take it from there. And more travels. Alright, let's go hit the road. First ride of the season. Testing out some new camera gear. This microphone. We'll see if this how this sound comes out. And I'm gonna go check out a little road that hopefully will be just a logging road. There's supposed to be a lot of dirt biking trails there. A lot of it's going to be above of what I could do on this bike. But yeah, let's go first ride of the season. Let's just get on some dirt. So I've got about a 30-kilometer drive before I can even hit any dirt, if I can even get past where it looks like there's a gate on the Google Maps. And if I can get past that, then apparently it's just lots of logging road. That's the closest spot I have to my house to find any dirt. Got this big wire hanging out that goes from the GoPro into my helmet because I haven't adjusted it yet to figure out the length. Because I got this modular helmet with the flip up, then I can't just shorten the cord for this helmet. So I'll have to figure something out for when I lift the helmet up. There's also the wireless mic, which I'm going to try at some point. So I've watched a lot of different reviews on this bike, and you know, they say based on the liters per gallon that you get, that you can get like over 300 kilometers. I don't know what planet they're living on. I'm lucky to get anywhere to 250 even. As you can see, I'm at 155 kilometers and I'm down to 3 bars. So I don't know what numbers they're getting or where they're getting them from, but there's no chance that on this tank, on this bike, that you're going 300 plus K, barring you're doing the exact perfect speed and not accelerating or decelerating. Maybe on the highway at a mild cruising speed, but there's no chance that you're going 300 if you're going in the bush. So you'd better know your distances and have extra fuel. I'm gonna have to fill up before I even get close to the track. So there's a few things I'm still getting used to, and that's using 2 fingers on my clutch and brakes, seeing as I really just started doing some adventure riding last year. My boots too, they're really good, but you just don't have the same feel on your clutch, so just getting used to that. And some riding positioning, so we'll see if I can work on some of that. Hopefully I can actually get on the dirt. Alright, well on Google it shows a gate with concrete blocks. And now there isn't even a gate. So perfect. Well, there's the gate. I can get around that. Barely. this is good warm up for the beginning of the season. And hopefully as the summer progresses, my skills will improve and I can do some even more stuff. Oh. Great. No. Jesus. Huh. How are they? Jesus. Okay. All right, first drop of the season out of the way. So let's go past this gate and see what we got. Correctional facility over there. I guess I'm not that good yet. Okay. I'm dying. All right, first ride of the season done. Only fell 3 times, so that should be it for the season. Probably won't drop the bike again this season. All right, got my first little skid turns in, so that was good. And hopefully over the course of this summer, we'll have a few more upgrades to show you guys on the bike, and we'll get some more riding in, and we'll have some fun. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.